Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, stop. Take it easy when you...
Welcome back. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. And if today is your first time coming across my channel, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Please do not forget to subscribe if you like my content and you like how I'm delivering it. Please consider subscribing and do please turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. So for today, ladies, I will be featuring this 1 minute. I want to put it a try, put it in a test. I'll be featuring this Pixie Cut ocean finger wave for black women. No lace, 1 minute install. Let's see how that goes. This wig was sent to me by an Amazon seller to give it a try. It's 100%, according to what is written on it, it's 100% human hair, which I'm super excited. You all can see I've not opened it. I haven't. And this is how the package looks like. I really like the package. The package is so beautiful. Though it's plastic bag, but the way they make it looks like very delicate, like kind of look like expensive. So before we jump into this video, please do not forget to leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video. All right, and before we move on into the unboxing of this video, I always like to tell you guys, give you good information about the product, any product I'm featuring on this channel. And I always like to read from their website to you so as not to prolong the video and also not to give you wrong information. So I'm going to talk quickly about this item. I don't read word to word. I'm just going to paraphrase in some places or just quickly, browse through. So number one thing about this item is high quality 100% Brazilian human hair. It's very natural look. It looks like your own hair. That's what they wrote on it. Number two, the wig description is 130% density. They have 4 colors that you can choose from. The wig has adjustment strap, minimum size wig cap to suit your head. Number 3 thing I would like to tell you is the advantage of this wig is Pixie Cut, and it's ocean wave ocean finger wave for black women. I believe anybody can rock it as long as they know how to style it. So and yeah, in this package we have it includes 1 short hair wig and 1 wig cap and 1 free gift, which I don't know what the free gift is until I open this. And the price is sold for $18.98. That's the price they sold it. And this particular one brand is from Jolan Ferry. I hope I pronounce it right. Jolan Ferry. I will put it on the screen as well. Also, I'll be dropping the link to this product in the description box just in case if you're interested. All right, I hope you will be. I've not tried it, but I like the way it looks on the models on the website. But let's give this a try. Like I said, they have 4 colors. The color that I'll be featuring today is 1B black. All right, ladies, let's jump right into the practical part of this video. The first thing in the package is the wig cap. You all can see that I'm wearing another one from another wig of mine because my natural hair is not in good condition at the moment. Let's just leave it like that. All right, then the next thing I found in here is the wig. Like I said, mine is 1B, which is this. Let's see the free gift that it says. Oh, it comes with free gifts. It has brushes, makeup brushes, like a travel size, All right, so that's all we have in the bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring out the wig. Yeah, it says 1 minute. So yeah, I'm not going to be using the wig cap because I already have something on right now, so I don't want to prolong the video. So I'm going to bring it out. So this is the inside, and it has adjustable strap which I'm going to adjust, and it has this pin right here. It has one at the front as well, right here. So front and back, then adjustable strap. I already told you the density, so I'll go ahead and adjust the strap, then I'll be right back to pop it on, and let's see if it is 1 minute installation. All right, to be honest with you ladies, I did not do anything because I didn't want to mess up the waves. So I didn't use any form of brush. I just used my finger to kind of straighten it out, you know, to give me the shape that I was going for. And I like it. It's really beautiful. It's very easy to style. It's simple. It gives me that 50s vibes. That's kind of vibe I'm getting from this wig. Like, it's really beautiful. I like it. I like it. I like the way it looks, so simple and stylish. Like, the only thing that I don't really like is because on the website you will see the first lady that you see, you actually see the scalp, like you're seeing the scalp of that lady, like it's that you see the parting. That's what I meant, but there's no way you could see any parting here. Though I saw some other people on the website as well that they have this similar one that you could not see their like scalp like, but the first one that you will see is the one that will kind of attract you to it, that will make it to go like wow, because you could see the scalp. That one looks so natural, but I couldn't see anything of such in this one. But regardless, it's still beautiful. There was no shedding at all. You all can see when I was pulling it, there was no shedding, and it feels very light. It's worth trying. $18.98, and it says it's 100% human hair. I don't know how that is true because I didn't make it, okay, and I'm not too that's not my area of specialty when it comes to hair. So but all I can tell you is that it feels natural, it feels very light, it's easy to style, it's very affordable, and it gives me 50 vibes. all right ladies, so thank you all so much for watching. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this particular wig, Pixie Cut Ocean Finger Wave Pixie Cut by Yolande Ferry? I'll be putting the link to this wig in the description box. All right, and please don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you all. God bless you all, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.